Here are ways to earn money from the stock market as an investor. So firstly, what is a stock? A stock or equity represents a piece of ownership in a company. So when you invest in the stock market, you become part owners of global organizations and companies. So with as little as $5, £5, £10, you can become a part owner and a shareholder of top companies like Amazon, Google, and Meta. There are two ways in which you earn money from the stock market. The first way is through capital gains, and the second way is through dividend payment. Now, what is capital gain? So capital gain is profit earned on an asset that has increased in value. So basically, an example of this is you purchase a property, a house for £200,000, and within a space of 3 years, that property has appreciated in price and is now worth £500,000. Now, that property has appreciated in value and has made you a capital gain of £300,000. Now, that is what capital gain is. Now, this is similar in the stock market as well. So if you buy a stock for £100, that stock has the ability to appreciate to, £500, £1,000, depending on the value of the stock or consumer sentiment. So that is one way you make money from the stock market. The second way you make money from the stock market is through dividend payment. So dividend payment is a way companies reward shareholders for holding onto their stock. So dividend payment is interest that is earned when the company makes profit. So if you invest in a company and that company makes profit, they're going to pay you interest for holding their stock as dividends. Now, for example, let's say you invest in a real estate company like Realty Income, for example. Realty Income is mandated by law to pay out 90% of their investment profit to shareholders. So as a shareholder of that stock, you're guaranteed of interest every single month as long as you own shares in that company. Now, here are ways to find companies that pay dividends. So firstly, you want to go to the company's website. So let's say, for example, you want to know if Realty Income pays dividend and how much they pay as dividends. Then you need to go to Realty Income website and go to the investor relations page and check out their financial details. So there you will see all the plans the company has for the stock, for the business, and their finances, and how much they've paid out in dividends, what the dividend yield is. Or you can go to the NASDAQ website and also search for the companies that you're looking for, and they're going to get their details down to the management, the board of directors, literally the dividend yield and, the price of the stock. And you also get more information to know the value of the stock and if the stock is a good stock to buy. Now, another way for you to also check the yield of a stock is by going to a website called dividend.com. Now, on this website, you're going to see past and present yields of stock that you want to buy or stock that you own. And then that way you're able to know if the stock yield has been growing or if it's been declining. Now, this can give you an idea and tell you the state that business or that company is, if it's a worthy stock to buy or if you should not buy that stock at all. So these are ways to check if a company is a good dividend paying stock. And other factors you need to consider are things like the earnings per share, which is also very critical because the yield might be the same, but the earnings per share will probably change over time depending on the stock that you're buying or the stock that you have. So I'm going to talk more about earnings per share in the upcoming videos, but do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your family and your friends. And I look forward to seeing you on the next video of the Savvy Money Girl channel.